Hello everyone, Sheezarashidusa from California, USA. I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Just want to say to everyone, thank you from bottom of my heart for giving all the love to my videos, especially my previous video. I really appreciate it. And with this, I also want to say Happy New Year to all, and may this year bring lots of happiness for you and your family and loved one. With this, I just want to start my video. As you see, all of us love jewelry. I'm sure everyone is fan of jewelry like me. That's why I'm really fan of, or huge fan of jewelry, all type of jewelry. That's why my videos are all about jewelry. As you can see, I have piles and piles of jewelry, and it's so hard and I don't know, complicated for me whenever I am going out for an event to look for the matching jewelry, because everything is piled in one box. I just dumped it out. As you guys can see, so many sets, but it's so hard. Sometimes I have to dig in, and I'm still not able to find what I'm looking for. So today I came up with a new idea how to organize jewelry where it's color coded. You don't have to struggle, you don't have to dump everything out. It's all color coded, and you can find the matching jewelry, put it in the same box. Whenever you are going out, you don't have to struggle for it. You just pull out the color, and then all the jewelry for that color will be in box. Also, especially this Indian or Pakistani jewelry, it tarnish and it turns black if it's not protected right way. I like to put in a Ziploc, but you know, it's hard for me to find out like which one is in which bag. So I came up with this box. I bought it. It's actually the photo box, like you save your photos, pictures in it. So I bought it from Michael's, and I'm just gonna show you my jewelry. This is my favorite jewelry, especially like this one is a turquoise color, like a light, not a light blue, but turquoise color. Love it, with these jhumkas and with them. And I took the same color box. I'm just gonna put it in, and it's saved. It would not tarnish or would not turn black. And you know, I'm just gonna put it in a box, and when I'm going out with my matching dresses, I'm just gonna pull out the box and then I'm gonna wear it. I don't have to dig in. I don't have to dump all those things. You see, this is another beautiful set. It's like reddish, red stone, and also white and gold, but it can also go in a red box. I can wear with anything which has a red in it, the dress or suit. So I'm just gonna save it. I'm gonna actually also showing you my jewelry collection. This is another set, beautiful set. I love it. You know, so I'm just gonna put it in a red box. It will be safe. It would not turn black. So my next set will be the orange one. I'm gonna show you my favorite sets. Beautiful bundas, you know, bundes, jhumkes. It's beautiful. It's huge with the mangtika. And I'm just gonna pull out a orange box, and I'm just gonna store in an orange container or a box. You can see. And my next set, as all of you guys see, is beautiful jhumke, or you can say bunde. You can see it's my favorite one. And I'm gonna pull out the box, put it in and store it. And this is an idea actually how to store it instead of dumping, putting it in together, you know, putting it into those bags, and then it's so hard when you're in rush, you're getting ready, you have to dump everything, look which one matches with your dresses. Easy and convenient and, you know, safe. So I just put it in. This is actually my blue set. These are also jhumka. It got a little bit stuck. Let me pull it out. As I'm pulling it out, I'm just gonna show you. These are beautiful blue jhumke with the tikka, and it has like a Sahara too, like, you know, you can put it in your hair or over the ear. So here it goes. You can see I love it. And I'm gonna pull out, actually these are blue, and then I'm gonna pull out the container blue, and I'm gonna put it in. Sorry, I thought I said purple, but actually it's blue. So I'm gonna put it in a blue container, and I am gonna put it away. My next set you will see is turquoise, beautiful jhumke. Love the design. And then mangtika is beautiful big jhumka actually. You see, I'm gonna pull out the box, put it in a box, and save these so I don't have to struggle anymore. So this is actually my strategy to store my Indian or Pakistani jewelry, fancy jewelry. If you have a better one, I would love to know. So I would love to know what is your technique. Here is another beautiful set, my favorite one. So I would love to know your strategy. How do you store it? I'm sure most of us we do in the Ziploc bag or plastic bag, and then we put it away. But only I love that it's a cheaper way. It's very, very, you know, least expensive way, you can say that, to store things. But the only hardship is that whenever you have to go, you cannot find it. You're short in time, you're running out of time, and you cannot find the matching set or earrings what you're looking for. Then you get more frustrated, right? So in order to avoid that frustration, clean and neat, organized, I love the idea of this color coding. I hope you enjoy it too while you're enjoying my jewelry. See another set. I love this set with the choker, jhumka and earrings. And while you guys are also looking at my jewelry, I would love to hear back from you. How are you saving your jewelry? I have more jewelry which I'm gonna later on show you in a part B, which I'm not gonna color code because those are mostly like a silver or pure gold jewelry, like a gold jewelry. They're not color ones. So the color coded, I use this. But there is another way if you don't find a color coded, like this is a green one, beautiful set. If you cannot find the color coded, you have the clear boxes. You can still, I can show you another way to store that, and then which will be easier. You don't have to even open the boxes. From the just on top, you will know which set is in this box, and that's you can easily store it. Here is another one, beautiful set, lightweight. It's beautiful. I love it. Again, I'm just gonna put it matching container, and I'm gonna store it. But it doesn't, you don't have to put one set in each box. If it's the same color, a multiple set can go, like 2 sets or 3 sets. Same color can go in green. Green sets can go in green. If you have 2-3 set of red, it can go in red box. If you have 2-3 set of yellow, you can put together 2-3 sets. When you pull out, you have a choice. Okay, I have these 3-4 yellows. I'm just gonna pick one. The one is matching, or for your dress, or which goes best for the event. So you don't have to pull out, all the yellow boxes, like different boxes. I know it's hard to store too. Sometimes finding that spot or finding that little container takes a lot of spot too. So that's why we want to protect, or we would like to avoid that problem too. So this is another beautiful set, orange color with the beautiful necklace and the earrings. So here is another set of jhumka, or you can say love that. It's my favorite one. You can see I love to wear jhumke like this. It's kind of like a purplish. So I'm gonna put it in a purple container. This is how I'm gonna put it away, store it. My next set, let's see which one I'm gonna pick. I have few sets which I feel like they don't go in this box, which are like pure gold or pure silver. I can bring the white one and then I can put those in the white one. So that's why I just put them away, like not in these boxes, because these are more like color coded and color one. So here is another set, beautiful green set, you can see, with bundas and the necklace. I'm gonna put it in a green box and store it, put it away. Here the container looks like. And other favorite one, beautiful one, I'm sure you guys will like this one too. This is more like a mehndi event, like a yellow set. It's a beautiful tikka, like extra large size of tikka, and those are beautiful earrings, and this is necklace goes with it. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna pull it up so you guys can see. It's a beautiful one and I love it. This is one of my favorite one. So here is another one. That one I put it in a yellow and yellow container. This is another purple one. I'm gonna put it in a purple box. I'm also showing you guys all of my sets, as well as I'm putting it away. I said, why not? I'm gonna show you my jewelry, Indian or Pakistani jewelry collection. Most of the sets I bought it here from USA, and but some sets are from Pakistan, some from online. So there is how the container looks like. So wow, this one is another one, beautiful, amazing. You can see this is multicolor set, beautiful jhumke and plus tikka. Is actually tikka set with earrings. So I'm just gonna put it. It can go in any box because it's a multi-shade, but I put it in a blue. But it can go in any box. It's multi-shade. So here comes another one. It's blue. It's necklace, tikka, and also the earrings. Love it. It's a mirror. You can see all the mirror set earring, and these are long earrings. I love this. This is a blue and red color contrast. And here is my special one, the one I saved it for the last. I'm gonna show you, and it's also in a box. I stored it in a box. It's a beautiful set. I believe it's a 80 set. It looks like a real gold set, like with a ruby, And here is my, I put it everything away in this box. As you see, you pull it out, you will see all the jewelry in those boxes, and you can add more if you have more sets. So here it goes. So if I'm wearing orange color, I'm just gonna pull out the box, everything is in. So this is a beautiful and very organized idea. I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video your love, thumbs up, and share with family and friends. So here is the container. You can put it away. It's safe. It won't tarnish. It would not turn black. With this, I just want to say goodbye and thank you for watching and giving this video thumbs up.